Okay guys, people have been asking what I've done for a power strip in my room. Well, I don't condone this, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, you see all these switches? There's 4 here. Don't bother this one, this is different. There's your 4 up there. Let me get a flashlight. That's the 4 up there. These are all connected up there. Okay. What I have going on in my room. See this fuse panel? I do not condone this. I do not recommend this. This is for a fan. It's a T6¼ fuse. It's ran all the way up here. Ouch. There's your T mark. Not condone that. Now say if I flip this switch. Okay. You will see a blue or maybe a red dot on the Wii. Okay, that's because that switch is off. Okay, you want to know something interesting? This switch is for the Xbox. There's the Xbox on. There's a switch. Let me get a better example. Let's do the PS3. Okay. Number 1, PS2. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's get the shit off here. All this does, this side of the switch. Say if I ever have an emergency. Let me kick on my TV. Say if I had emergency shutdown. Okay, you see how the TV's on? This switch, if I ever had emergency shutdown, completely killed the TV by the switch. Don't kill this outlet, but it kills the switch. And now you guys wondering where the hell does this all run? There's an emergency shutdown for it. I condemn this, but I'm going to fix this up correctly. But I just got it hooked in here. So if push comes to shove, if I ever had to, that just killed. I believe game console. Game console TV. One of those two are dead. Hang on, I'll tell you in a second. Game console is dead because the light's still running up there. But that's as easy as it is. Just pull it out. See, you can pull both of them out, and now you're completely dead off the wall. Now you plug them back in. Now you plug them back in, you're on the road again. Okay, now you guys are probably wondering, how about this fuse that you have in here? I wonder how this works. There's the fuse. T 6 1/4 fuse, round fuse. And you just got an open hole, don't put your finger in it. Now, if I try to kick on a system, there's no activity. Because that's what this fuse is for. The bulb style. Probably needs that at Home Depot, Menards. Anybody carries these for a fan. You just put the fuse in. Make sure you do not grab the copper lines, and then just close it down. There's my massive wiring. There's the back of the fuse block. That's what it looks like inside, if you guys see it or not. And there's really no amperage running off from this. Just game consoles, really. That's all I got up here is game consoles. That's all it runs on them is game consoles. There's lots and lots. There's lots and lots of game consoles here. Just game consoles. I only kick one on at a time to play. Then here's my other one I set up. Which just for weight. That's what that one's for. And that one's ran pretty much down there. And yes, you guys are wondering, all my plugs are and don't fit. I don't know if you guys see it. They're all rated heavy duty. These are all heavy duty plugs. I would not use a light. Hang on, guys. Alright. All that is done by 14 gauge because that's only 15 amps. This concoction is made out of, well, this is made out of 12-2, 14-2, 12-2. Oh, and something to know, you can touch the ground all day. I'm touching the ground screw, see? Touch the ground screw, don't hurt. Don't touch the neutral or the hot. Well, in this case, just the hot. Don't touch hot. This side. Don't touch the neutral nor hot. They both bite. But yeah, that was my concoction. And that's a lot safer than one of these gay power strips. These gay things. These things suck and blows. That's safer. I hope you guys like that little concoction I built. I do not condemn it. Do it at your own risk. Bye.